Welcome to today's video, lip scrub. Are you looking for a wonderful lip scrub that is going to exfoliate your lips, get rid of all the dead skin cells on your lips, and just leave you with that nice pink baby soft lips? Guess what? I have that remedy for you today. I made this wonderful lip scrub for you, loaded with ingredients that will help to plump the lips up, that will help to soften the lips. And guess what? You are going to be so amazed of how young and fresh and plump your lips will be looking. So if you're looking for a lip scrub that you can use 2 to 3 times a week to give you that baby soft pink plump looking lips, this scrub is for you. So continue watching. The first ingredient for our lip scrub is vitamin E oil, and vitamin E oil is going to help to moisturize the lip. When you use vitamin E oil on the lips, it's going to leave your lips just soft and supple. Our next ingredient is coconut oil, and coconut oil is going to help to soften the lip. It's going to help to moisturize the lips. If you have very dry lips, it's going to help to get rid of the cracked lips, and it's just going to leave the lips soft and plump. The next ingredient is sugar, and today I'm going to be using some white sugar. If you have brown sugar, go ahead and use that. Now, sugar is used in this recipe as an exfoliator. It will help to get rid of the dead skin on the lips. It will get rid of the roughness on the lip. And with the other ingredient, it's going to leave your lip just soft and smooth. Our next ingredient is rice, and today I'm using purple rice. However, if you do not have purple rice, you can use some black rice or use whatever kind of rice you have. Now, rice is a wonderful ingredient to use to exfoliate the lips. Not only that, you will get the benefit of the antioxidant that is in this rice. The antioxidant in rice will help to plump the lip. It will help your lips to look so soft and so much fresher and younger looking. Just soft, supple looking lips. To make this lip scrub, you're going to need a blender, and you're also going to need a jar for storing your lip scrub. Now to begin, I'm going to be blending my rice, and I'm using about 2 tablespoons of my purple rice. As I said before, if you do not have purple rice, go ahead and use the rice you have. And here we have our blended rice up close. And now we're going to put all our ingredients together. Now for our sugar, I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of white sugar, which is 15 ml of white sugar. If you're using brown sugar, use the same amount, 2 tablespoons. A total of 30 ml. Now for our rice, I'm using 2 tablespoons of our rice, 30 ml. Just 1. 2 tablespoons. So you're just gonna mix this together. You can also choose to store the rice and the sugar in your refrigerator for about 6 months. Just blend the rice and mix it in the sugar like this and store it in an airtight container. When you're ready to make your scrub, you take it out and you add the oils, okay? All right, moving on. Next, I'm gonna add the coconut oil, and I'm starting out with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. I think I'm going to need a little more, but just for a start. Next, for the vitamin E oil, I'm going to use about a teaspoon of vitamin E oil. And for the lemon essential oil, I'm using about 4 to 5 drops. And now I'm gonna mix this together. Now, once you start mixing, do not rush it. Do not rush to pour more oil in. Just slowly blend the oil in. So just blend together. You do not want it to be too oily, neither do you want it to be too dry. And that's why we start out with just 1 tablespoon of the coconut oil. Now I'm going to test mine, and let's see. And just like I said before, this is perfect, so we do not need to add any more oil in this. So we're just gonna mix and mix well. And this is gonna have a wonderful fragrance from the lemon oil. Now once you finish mixing your scrub, guess what guys? I have an optional ingredient that is gonna keep this scrub much longer. Normally this scrub could go in your fridge for about 10 to 14 days. However, if you use this optional ingredient, which is the vegetable glycerine, you can keep this a little longer, at least a month or more in your refrigerator. So I'm going to use about a teaspoon of the vegetable glycerine. And now I'm going to mix this in. Just blend. Just blend, mix well, just work everything in. And this is now ready. I'm just gonna pour it in the jar. This is really a wonderful lip scrub. This is it. Now here it is guys, this is your moisturizing lip exfoliator. Now because I use rice in this recipe, I suggest you keep it in your refrigerator, and you can keep this in the refrigerator for at least a month or more. Alright, so now I'm gonna go on the other side and show you how to use this wonderful lip scrub for best result. So here is our lip scrub. It's pretty easy to use. You just damp your lips with a little bit of water, and then you just take your lip scrub. A little goes a long way. You really do not need a lot. Let me put that to the side, and then you just exfoliate your lips. Smells really, really, really great. So focus on both lips, lower and upper lips. Circular motion is good. And you want to exfoliate your lips for about 2 minutes or so. And next, I'm just going to rinse off, pat dry my lips, and apply some moisturizer. So let me go rinse my lips off and come back and show you my result. I'm just going to take a little bit of my homemade lip So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share the video and leave your comments. They are always welcome. And if this was the first time watching, don't leave without subscribing. So look below, you're going to see the word subscribe. Just click on it and you will be subscribed. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video.